Okay, distributed Scrum. The key to distributed Scrum is constant communication. I'm on a distributed Scrum team myself, so I can tell you how it works every day to day, every sprint. To get started, you need to get everybody together in the same location, face to face. You need to build working agreements. How are you going to work together? It's better even if you do some work together and establish a rhythm of working together. We then, in my company, meet every quarter. We fly people in from all over the world, so all the teams can meet face to face for a couple of days to reestablish that close personal communication and close way of working together. It's really, really important that people know each other personally for teams to work well. So that's the first step, is getting everyone on the same page, getting them to agree on the way they're going to work together, and also establish a way of working that delivers results. When you move the team apart, you want to be able to get the same results distributed as you were able to get working in the same room. And that requires careful attention. Distributed Scrum requires more focus, more discipline than having people work in the same room. The second most important thing that we find is using video communications. We use video communications for almost everything, certainly all the Scrum events, any important personal communication. We don't call people on the phone. We get them on either Google Hangout or Zoom or Skype video. We get the video working. You want to see the person. You want to feel how they are. That works much, much better than phone communications or email communications or anything else. So some of the organizations I work with have open communications. One company I work with in Cambridge, Massachusetts has the video on all the time between Cambridge and India. People can see each other walking into the room. Sometimes they can yell at each other walking down the hall. Okay, so using the video to bring about the sense of closeness is critical. The third most important thing is to get away from email. Email tends to generate a huge amount of waste. You waste a lot of time looking for it. It tends to set up a task list that is in random order and takes people off of focus on what needs to be done. So you want Scrum tooling that has a clear backlog management system that's easy to use. And for any asynchronous communication, you want a tool like Slack or FlowDoc is what we would use, a tool where teams can have a steady stream of asynchronous communication so they know where they are. And anytime they want to talk in real time to one another, they go to video. Okay? This is really critical to get high performance out of Scrum teams. The fourth thing that I'm finding really useful and important on my team, the team that I am on, is to regularly swarm via video. So every morning at 9:30, we get everybody that's available online together just to talk. In there, we can do some product backlog refinement maybe. We can discuss issues that might take a longer time than would be available in a daily meeting. We get a feeling of what people are doing, how they're feeling, and that generates a lot more work being done, and it also builds a camaraderie on the team that is really valuable. And finally, the fifth thing is that the tools and techniques in every location need to be the same. You need to use the same Scrum tooling so everybody understands how the visualization and reporting of the Scrum system works. Everybody needs to use the same technical tools, the same build system, so that everything works together. All these tools and techniques need to be identical. In the best high-performing Scrum teams, they say, in India, it feels the same as it feels when I'm in the office in Amsterdam. So that common tool and technique approach is one of the key enablers of distributing high performance, both in terms of velocity of production and quality of the product. So the bottom line for high-performing distributed Scrum is these 5 things. Get everybody together in the same room periodically. Use video communications for any real-time communication, any Scrum event. Get away from email. For asynchronous communications, use a tool like Slack. 4, get the team on the video just to talk on a regular basis about what they're doing. They could use that time for planning and thinking and backlog refinement. And 5, make sure everybody's using the same tools and techniques, the same Scrum tooling, the same build system, the same technical tooling. If you get everybody on the same page, only then can you distribute high performance and high quality of the product that you're building.